For centuries, humanity has looked to the sky for answers, building theories, writing equations, and imagining our place in a vast cosmic puzzle. Our understanding of physics, cosmology, space, and time has shaped the way we see the universe. But now, that understanding has been shaken to its core. According to this narrative, what the James Webb Space Telescope has observed was never supposed to exist. Galaxies that appear too old, planets that seem impossibly large, structures that look unnaturally perfect, and even a steady, rhythmic signal that doesn't fit any known astrophysical model. It is presented not as just another discovery, but as a collision between what we believed and what may actually exist. If these claims were confirmed, they would fundamentally challenge our current picture of the universe. In a series of deep-field observations, the James Webb Space Telescope captured some of the most detailed images of the universe ever recorded. Yet the beauty of these images was not the only thing they revealed. According to the script, researchers studying the galaxy cluster Able 2744 noticed perfectly aligned points of light and remarkably symmetrical structures forming patterns that seemed unusual in the normally chaotic process of galactic evolution. In the spiral galaxy NGC 1365, unexpected patterns of motion appeared to suggest gravitational behavior that challenged existing models. As similar anomalies reportedly appeared in multiple observations, the deeper James Webb looked into space, the stranger the universe seemed to become. Patterns appeared to repeat across billions of light-years, and structures displayed a level of geometric precision that seemed difficult to reconcile with a universe expected to be largely random. Scientists initially considered coincidence, but as more examples emerged, some began wondering whether these observations hinted at an underlying order not yet understood. Among the many objects observed by the James Webb Space Telescope was the exoplanet HIP 65426b, located hundreds of light-years from Earth. What astronomers observed left many fascinated. The planet is about 7 times the mass of Jupiter and orbits its young star at roughly 3 times the distance between Neptune and the Sun. Remarkably, the host star is only around 15 million years old. According to the narrative, such a massive planet should not have been able to form so quickly and at such a great distance from its star. There appears to be no visible protoplanetary disk, no remaining material, and no straightforward gravitational explanation for how such a world could have formed and remained stable. These puzzles have led some to speculate whether the planet might somehow be a remnant from an earlier stellar system, transplanted or preserved through processes we do not yet understand. For now, however, those ideas remain speculation, while the planet itself continues to glow at temperatures exceeding 1,000 degrees in a system that challenges existing theories. One of the most visually striking observations made by James Webb is an Einstein ring, a gravitational lens created when the gravity of a massive foreground galaxy bends the light of a more distant galaxy directly behind it. According to the script, the Einstein ring surrounding galaxy J418 is exceptionally close to perfect, forming an almost complete and uninterrupted circle of light. Such an image requires an extraordinarily precise alignment between the two galaxies across billions of light-years, making it statistically very rare. Although gravitational lensing is a well-established phenomenon, the remarkable symmetry of this particular ring has inspired questions about whether it could hint at deeper geometric patterns within spacetime itself. Some have wondered whether the universe may possess a hidden order beyond what current theories fully describe. Perhaps the most controversial claim involves the discovery of massive, mature galaxies appearing only about 180 million years after the Big Bang. In cosmic terms, this is an incredibly short period of time. According to standard cosmological models, galaxies should not have had enough time to grow to such enormous sizes, develop organized spiral structures, or shine with the brightness recorded by the James Webb Space Telescope. Yet these galaxies appear as large and well-developed as the Milky Way during an era when the universe was expected to be little more than a turbulent sea of gas. If the observations and their interpretations prove correct, they could require significant revisions to existing theories of galaxy formation and the early universe. Some researchers have even suggested that the universe's history may be more complex than previously believed. In another intriguing observation, James Webb reportedly detected a gravitational lensing effect in a region of space far from any major galaxy. According to the script, the lensing appeared in an area where no visible stars, galaxies, or black holes could be seen. Such an observation raises fascinating questions about what unseen mass may exist in that region and whether there are aspects of the universe that remain completely hidden from current astronomical observations.